Hello, I'm VS here. I just want to bring to you how we can do YouTube intros on Canva, and I'm going to show you the app here, or you can see that right on the screen. See, now you can type YouTube intros and get to see the page opens up. Here you have a lot of templates. You can see them as you scroll down. See these ready-made beautiful templates here for you. You can see lots different shades, colors, different themes, and it's absolutely very nice so that you can build up a beautiful intro or credentials, at the end of the uh, video. And it's very nice that we have put together such a wonderful variety so that we don't have to waste time on getting on this, putting together, making all that pieces of artwork and then putting them into making these slides. So this saves a lot of time. And this is what I like most about this ready to use plug and play kind of templates here. Just for you to see, the range I have to scroll so far down, but now let's go back to this. I think maybe we'll choose one of it. I think that looks better. I just want to do something like very simple, but that's not, I mean, too extravagant, but still it has that appeal to it. So this is the one I have selected. So let's see what we can do here. See, there is a template you can see here. You have nice flowing borders, and then you also have a nice blinking heart, and then in the text you have down here. So now you click on that, and you can read the text. You can take that away. I just want to do my own, so I'm just going to remove this text here. Just hit the delete, so it should go back. This one more here, so let's do that as well. So now we just have the heart. Let's push it up further right now. So just place it here. We'll see how it goes. Now we have that in place. So let's go to text. Let's see if we can find some good text here. They also have, here also you have good, templates. You can just type over and change them. So let's search for titles. So I can get about some here. Let's scroll down. I think I like this. So someone good. Let's choose that. But I don't know if it looks that. Let's try to fit it in and see how it goes. See, I have all these credentials, for these different uh, credits of different names, videos that I've used of those creators. So just did copy paste here so that I can adjust the fonts. But I think with this font, it's not looking that appealing. I think so. Let's see, we can change it to another something else. Probably. Let me see what we can do. Let's see if we can bring it down to. Oh, that's almost disappeared. So let's do this to this font. I'll probably make it like font. It's okay, but you have to make it even bigger. Let's try this a little bit more. So let's see how it goes. I think you have to make it even bigger. Probably I'll reduce the text instead of having all the names. I'm going to cut down the text so that probably I'll have four names together. So that makes it a little bit better. Delete the rest. Yeah. Now I'm going to see if I can change the font. Uh, just like that. Yeah, yes, okay. Yes. About okay. Let's try to resize it. See, it is all about the feel. I mean, how you when you see the screen, you will know. I mean, how much, how is it looking. If you think you still need it a little better, you can always change the font. And you want to change, of course, your text, whatever you want to put it in, you can change it. And so I'm just typing here courtesy videos from Excel. Now I'm going to just do some editing here. So try to see if we can delete some, make some corrections here. So we'll have the names pop up properly. See that? See, this is all about how you want to make it look. So there's so much to it, or you can do. So it just depends on how you want to do it. So I'm just going to delete that part because I don't need that much of information here. So hit the delete. That should go. Now that I've taken out, so I'm going to drag it so that it looks big. Yeah, somewhat better now. But I think I need that heart to probably bring it to the side. Let me see if we can fit it in between that, or let's see what we want to do here. Let's see if I can. Okay, but I still think that's too much kind of an abstraction in between. So let's do this. I mean, I think I can move this a little bit. Probably, I think the best thing we can do is we bring the heart to the side. I'm just going to delete some of that here, the text, so that it's just going to make it look good. So, how about some? Okay, let's start taking this together. So I think now it's getting better now with the text. Some unwanted any information. I think you can always crop it. So now it looks bigger. Oh, I think it's come down to one. So let's do this. I think you have to center the whole thing. So let's select all. Yeah, and try to align it. Yeah, hit the center. There you go. Now when you click it, I think that's looks better now. But I think we still need to bring that heart down. So let's do this. Let's pull this down. This text box down so that we can access the heart because on the layer lower to this one. So let's go drag it. Yeah, as much as you can see it, here. There you go. Now you can click on it and then drag it down where you want to put it. So I think that position is good enough for us right now. So now get back to the text box and then we drag it up. I'm just using the keys, the up key, so that I can see exactly how it is. I think that's looking much better. I'm going to close it. So like the same, you are going to do the uh, add a few more slides. I mean, how many ever you want to, depending on the number of names you have. So I've added like that about 4 slides now, so that it has all the names coming through. So then that should give my presentation a completion. I'm just typing this. Thank you. Please subscribe. This is very important, right? So after you do this video, you want people to subscribe. You want them to like your video. So, and it's always good that you have to mention it so that people are aware that, hey, I have watched this, so let me do this. So let me subscribe this channel. So that is important. So always, if as you're creating, don't forget that. Sometimes people do forget that, so that they get caught up in doing the project, and it's not good because you're supposed to remind your viewer that you need, if their subscription is valuable for us, so that it's appreciated. I mean, because that's when you know that you have so many followers that that are looking into your work, which is a good thing. So that motivates the creator to do lots more, and then bring more and more stuff put together. So this is about this, guys. I mean, this is how you can pull up and make a YouTube intro. And I'm just saving it to, once you download, you can save it into a folder, and it becomes a MP4 and a file, so that you can use it at a later time into your project. So that's how you do it. It's such a really easy to do it way, and I think you will like, and you can do lot more stuff with this. So as I said, you just save it into the folder, and then you can use it to whichever project that you want to do. So that's how, guys, and I'd like to thank you for your time for watching this, and I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and do keep waiting because I have some more interesting projects coming by, so I will be putting forth them in the coming days. And you can also check out made one on Canva, another tutorial on just how to do a kind of a small invitation for a family movie night. Similar, I mean, you can do a lot of graphics in that, so similar kind of stuff I've made it. So thank you. Have a good day.